In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop a track in Reaper. Now, there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm going to do my best to actually show you exactly how to achieve them. So the first one's going to be if you want to loop like a track or a specific part of your track audio. So I do have only this audio inside my track, and to loop this, you want to go to the very far right, click on where you can see this arrow and then drag. And as you can see, if I go and drag out, this is going to allow me to loop as many times as I want, and these arrows are going to kind of point towards the section where you basically looped, okay? So that's the first way to loop it. But then of course the second way to loop just a track is going to be to mute all the other tracks. So just go ahead and hit on this mute button inside all of them. And then from here to loop this, you can just go ahead and do a selection by clicking up top and then dragging the selection like that. If you want to be more precise, you could also hold down your control key and you can do that too. And then once you've done this, you can just click on this button down here to toggle repeat, or press R on your keyboard and it's going to loop that specific track, okay? Of course, you could do this with multiple tracks as well, but that's essentially how to do this. If you want to quit your loop, press the escape button at the top left of your keyboard, and there we go, the loop has been exited. So that's how to achieve this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.